Today's Equipment Corner is brought to you by the East Coast Truck and Trailer Sales Parts Truck, where we bring parts and equipment to you. Let's head inside and see what we got today.
Welcome back to Equipment Corner. This week we're going to focus on our upgraded lockout kit. Our upgraded lockout kit has one very intricate piece that's different from our standard lockout kit, and that's part number 88251. Part number 88251 is actually an upgraded air wedge. The air wedge itself is set up so that you can get past all of the weather stripping on the inside of the door jamb, and it's got a nice little pocket here that after you've inflated the air wedge, you can actually put your long reach through. Prevents nicking, chipping, as well as marring of B-pillars, and also for glass on frame applications. Remember, 88251, located on your mobile parts truck, as well as at ectts.com. Come on down to ectts.com, see our full inventory of car haulers, light, medium, and heavy-duty wreckers, and also enjoy free shipping to the lower 48 on all orders placed over $50. Just remember, we're here for you. Be safe.